Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have to clean my windows. Not a really exciting chore, but I've gotten to the point in quarantine that I have nothing to do. I am running out of projects, I'm running out of things to declutter. I've reorganized this kitchen like 3 times. So I need to clean the windows inside and out. I need to wipe down the baseboards, and while I'm at it, I will probably just kind of like straighten up, tidy up a little bit, and not baseboards, but like, you know, the sides around the windows. So my main focus today is to just deep clean the windows. As you will see, like the inside of the windowsills get really, really gross, and this definitely needs to be something that is done annually. Usually I like to do it when it starts to get a little bit warmer. Today's a little bit windy, but it's not freezing. So we're gonna work on doing this. So hopefully you get a ton of cleaning motivation from this video. Let me know if you liked it by giving it a thumbs up, and let's get right into cleaning. Actually changed my method a little bit, I guess you could say, after this window. So as you see, I started wiping down the windows with the Windex first, and then I went through and wiped down the windows like with the rag and hot water, and it definitely got really messy, and the dirt kind of got everywhere. So I had to re-Windex afterwards, and you will see me do that a second time. So after this window, I kind of learned my lesson and realized to wipe down the windows first and then go ahead and Windex it afterwards.
The crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no, 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 no. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. No, no, no. Promise you won't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown.
So I just finished all the windows downstairs. As you saw, they were disgusting. I literally just changed the rag. I got a new rag and I swapped out the water, got fresh, clean, hot water. I mixed a little bit of ammonia in my hot water, and that's what I'm using to wipe everything down. It's just hot water and ammonia. I know that's a really harsh chemical, but especially on these windows, I hate to admit it, but it looks like mold on part of the windowsill. So I'm trying to just like really kill whatever's on there and clean it off. Again, it's not something that I do like every week when I clean. This is something that I just do like annually. Eventually I am going to be getting thieves cleaner, and that's all I'm going to use probably for like the rest of my life, cleaning anything. But I'm trying to use up what I have, and I know ammonia works and it kills everything. So for now, that is what I'm using to clean the windows. So now I'm in the bedroom and I'm going to do our windows now.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time.
I just finished our bedroom, and as you saw, those were definitely like the worst ones, I would say. I don't know why, but I definitely feel like our bedroom windows get the dirtiest the fastest. So scrubbed those, and I'm gonna stop filming there, I think, because I have to still do my beauty room, which is 2 windows, his office, which is 2 windows, and then the bathroom. But I'm not gonna bore you to tears because it's the same thing over and over again. So I'm gonna end the video there. Hopefully you guys got some motivation and enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I do lots of lifestyle videos over here: cleaning, fitness, makeup, literally everything. So make sure you follow me and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! You're so beautiful. You came to hang out? So cute. You're a good girl. Doesn't that hurt?